Hello, welcome back again to this channel. In this video I'm going to be making airline baby dress. So let's get into the video. So the first thing I'm going to do is to measure my shoulder measurement. My shoulder measurement is 9 inches. So from the tip here, from the tip of my fabric here, I'm going to measure 7 inches. 7 inches. After measuring 7 inches, my length, the total length of my dress is 20. So from here, I'm going to measure 20 inches. So after measuring 20 inches, the next thing to do is to input the shoulder measurement. So I'm going to be inputting the shoulder measurement. Shoulder is 4.5. So I will measure 4.5 here, 4.5 here, so I'm going to make this straight. So from here, I'm going to measure 3.5 as armhole length. So I'm going to input my bust measurement. Bust is 22. That's 5.5. times 2, 5.5 plus 1 inch, so that's 6.5. So for the neckline, I'm going to measure 2.5 by 2 inches. 2.5 as the length, then 2 inches for the width. I'm going to leave 1 inch so in allowance here. This is the back pattern. So the next thing to do is to cut out the facing. Because I'm not lining it, so I don't want to cut out the facing. to sew here to the back